This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to access your old Trust Wallet account. First, ensure you have your 12-word recovery phrase readily available. This phrase is the only way to regain access to your funds if you've lost your device or reinstalled the app. Without it, recovery is not possible. We'll walk through the steps to use this phrase to restore your wallet securely and efficiently. Your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase, is a unique set of 12 words generated when you first create your Trust Wallet. It acts as the master key to all your digital assets within that wallet. It is crucial to understand that Trust Wallet is non-custodial, meaning they do not store your phrase and cannot help you recover it if lost. Therefore, keeping it safe and private is your sole responsibility. To restore your wallet, begin by downloading and opening the official Trust Wallet app on your device. On the welcome screen, select the option I already have a wallet. You will then be prompted to enter your 12-word recovery phrase. Type each word carefully, ensuring correct spelling and order, as even a single mistake will prevent successful restoration. After entering, tap Restore Wallet to regain access to your funds. Once your wallet is restored, implement strong security measures. Enable biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, to prevent unauthorized access to the app. Always keep your recovery phrase backed up offline in multiple secure locations. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts and suspicious links, as these are common ways scammers try to gain access to your assets. Regularly update your app for the latest security features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.